Alright, now we're gonna work on the cauldron. So we got this white lid. We got these skulls. This skull has a little more dark in his eyes. I think I'm gonna choose that. However, I don't think painting this would turn out very well. I'm going to get some black ribbon. I got these leather strips from a leather jacket that had these fringes. So I'm going to repurpose those for the lid. Got my glue gun. I'm going to start by cutting some of these strings off. Yes, if you find a dirt cheap leather jacket at the thrift store, you can reuse it for material. Much cheaper than buying leather material brand new. Take a little strip and maybe we'll use I don't know if you could see that, but there's like kind of suede feeling on the other side. Maybe we'll use that to make it more like old school, I want to say. But we'll just start with putting a dab of hot glue. Instead of painting the rest, I'm going to use this black Sharpie marker to fill in. And also it works for blackening all the little white, like the hot glue bits. So if you didn't get some of the white glue bits off, you just use a magic marker here. And then we'll hot glue this on and put some of the black string around.
Hey.
Ooh, this is a Christmas flower, I don't know, thing. I don't know what you would call this, but it's from like a Christmas flower arrangement. And adding that to like there's bubbles coming out of the thing, and I probably don't need to hot glue it. I'm just gonna snip the end there. So that ends this DIY, and I'll take some pics. And that's transforming this Avon cauldron with a more fantastic lid. Thanks YouTube crafters and crafter YouTubers for watching, and please like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and keep crafting, my friends. Later. Bye.